strikes 2 kilometers northeast of Katibian in the Philippines. On the 16th of October, a 7.1, then downsized to 6.8 magnitude earthquake strikes west-southwest of Pangwan in Papua New Guinea. On the 19th of October, 6.5 magnitude earthquake strikes 75 kilometers southeast of Echaporopia in Mexico. I think you pronounce it that way. On the 24th of October 2013, a 6.7 magnitude earthquake strikes east of the southern Sandwich Islands. On the 25th of October, a 7.6, then downsized to a 7.1 earthquake strikes off the east coast of Honshu in Japan. On the 29th of October, a 6 magnitude earthquake strikes Berlin, the island region. And on the 31st of October, 6.6 magnitude earthquake that was downsized to a 6.3 strikes 45 kilometers south-southwest of Hainan in Taiwan. I think they pronounce it that way. On the 31st of October, a 6.6 magnitude earthquake strikes 43 kilometers south-southwest of Coimbo in Chile. And on the 2nd of November 2013, a 6.4 magnitude earthquake strikes 151 kilometers east-southeast of Nafu in Tonga. Now that one was downsized to a 6.2. You can see how they're manipulating the figures now, guys. Yes, just to downsize them all, guys, so they don't look so serious. They know people are cotton on what's happening here. And finally, on the 12th of November, a 6.6 magnitude earthquake strikes near the east coast of Kamchatka in Russia. And very powerful earthquakes, as you can see, guys. They're definitely intensifying, and we all know why, don't we? This following statement originates from infiniteunknown.net, titled Indigenous Leaders, Fukushima Nuclear Crisis, a Threat to the Future of Humanity. We have reached the crossroads of life and the end of our existence. And this was posted on October the 31st, 2013. The people of the earth understand that the Fukushima nuclear crisis continues to threaten the future of all life. We understand the full implications of this crisis, even with the suppression of information and the filtering of truth by the corporate-owned media and national states.
Today, September 15th, we have a cyclone being sent to Japan. You can see wait for it, there's a path right there of sonic energy, this sonic energy. Right in there. So I would expect to get some more earthquake activity. Definitely the cyclone's not going to help, and should be earthquakes out there. That new volcano they discovered is over here.